Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Formsort. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Formsort is an amazing form builder application. So in this video I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside Formsort and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Formsort as my trigger application. Here it is. And now the trigger event will be setup webhooks. So this will trigger for the specified events and frequency. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Formsort account with Pabbly Connect. So now to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Formsort account. So this here is my Formsort account. I will go to the flow named as Popcorn. I will go to integrations and here in integrations, I will scroll down and go to webhooks. So this here is an existing webhook. I'm just going to remove it. So here it says webhook posting frequency when the flow is finalized or abandoned. So now in this webhook URL field from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and over here I'm going to paste it. So once I've done that, I'm going to send the test data. So here it says successfully delivered webhook. So as we have mentioned the webhook URL, we don't have to make any changes in these fields that are given below. So we have sent the test data and the test data would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. So over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that we have received the test response. That means this here's the test data. So as I've successfully added a webhook inside my Formsort account, so here it says some variants in this flow have not been redeployed with the latest production integrations. So to do that, I will click on view and over here I will go to main. So now I'm going to click on redeploy and now over here I'm going to click on ship. So as I did that, here it says congratulations, your flow is live and ready to receive answers. So I'm going to open this in a new tab and over here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to recapture a new webhook response. So as over here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. So now I'm going to do a test submission by filling out this form. So over here let's say that the first name is latest, the last name is user and here the email is latest234@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to mention a dummy phone number that will be this. So once I've filled in the details, I'm going to click on next. And here it says thanks for filling out the form. That means I've successfully made this form submission and the response would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that we have received a new response. So here is the response B. So I'm just going to scroll down and show you the details. So here you can see the variant label, the flow label, and over here you can see the finalized. So here is the created date and time. So this here is the phone number, here is the name, and over here is the email address. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the response. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Formsort. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've successfully set up a webhook inside Formsort, just by going to this action window, I can select any application and send the data. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.